This one is repping, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest.
Just hanging out, chilling out. On these, light, weight, baby.
How much weight do you have on there?
Oh, I got about 70 to 80 pounds on there.
Can I see your weight stack?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep, it's a secret.
Oh, okay. Looking good.
Look how hard I'm straining.
I see.
I'm straining real hard here.
No, it's... I'm also just doing his legs.
Doctor said he's going to go in and perform a surgery in which he's going to take out screws because all they're doing now is just causing me pain. And when I say pain, it's a lot of pain. It's like...
How much pain do you feel every day on a scale of 1 to 10?
9, 10. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. When I do appearances, my pain level goes up to like a 12, 13. It's almost unbearable.